Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do this origami ninja star spinning top. To fold this, I'll be taking 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square sheet of paper, and first I'll be starting with the plus crease by folding the paper into half. Now bring all four corners to the center point. This is called Blind's base. So do the Blind's base once again. Bring this to the center crease. To create a cupboard base. Open the flaps and do the same thing on the other side. Now collapse the model as shown. Now make a cross crease. There are many flaps, so it will be slightly difficult to fold. Keep those triangles in clockwise. You have to make one more module, keeping the triangles anti-clockwise. Click here to learn how to make this ninja star. You'll be finding 4 pockets in the ninja star, so you have to insert this triangle inside the pocket. On the other side, again you have to insert the module as shown. Origami Ninja Star spinning top is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.